Hey, it's me guys. Gonna do a quick how-to video today. I recently built a NASCAR model kit. Thought I'd put together a tutorial on how to add some detail to the steel wheels commonly used on NASCAR race cars. Race car wheel manufacturers sometimes have a colored pinstripe along the outside of the rim. It's not exactly on the very edge of the wheel. It's usually set in a little bit and can sometimes be hard to get that detail where it belongs. I had heard of this technique that uses only a few tools that most modelers probably have access to, and really wanted to try it for myself. I started off with a set of wheels that I had already painted and decaled. I was able to fit the wheels inside the chuck of my drill. Rotated a few times to make sure it was centered. I did have to adjust it a little bit. If you have access to any other equipment, it may make it easier to get it centered. Once it is as centered as you can get it, just start it spinning and use the point of a blade to score the fine pinstripe around the rim. Just enough to go through the paint and down to the primer. I was lucky these wheels were molded in white. If I did go through the primer, it was just down to white plastic. Now that the white layer is exposed, I just used a yellow Sharpie to add the color. The color you use will depend on what brand wheel you're trying to replicate. Mine aren't perfect, but it's something that catches your eye. It finishes them off with that often missed detail, keeps that busyness that these cars have with all the sponsors and contingencies. It adds a splash of color and some accuracy to your final build. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and enjoy building.